Hey guys, I want to show you this really cool feature on your IGO4Less portal, your website. I want to make sure no one overlooks this. I know a lot of us are heading to Vegas this weekend. It is August 26th when I'm making this video. So anyway, I'm excited about Vegas, and I know this feature on the website will can save you some money this weekend. Okay, so I'm going to be looking down at my screen here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the activities icon here. And when you click on activities, you can put in any city. I just chose Las Vegas so I can show you guys. And then you could choose your dates. Guys, you can use this in your own hometown to save money on activities like with your kids or your family or whatever. But let me just show you. So then you just click search. It's going to take just a second. There we go. And look at this, 520 activities that are discounted. So for you guys that are going to Vegas this weekend, look at all these different things you can do at a discount. So this is really cool. Okay, so activities tab, don't overlook it. We're not just a travel site. There's activity stuff. But next, I want every single one of you to look at this. Go to the lifestyle tab here and click on restaurant savings. This is a really, really good deal. Okay, guys, you get a $100 restaurant gift certificate for $11, and I've already purchased this. Let me tell you how it works. So you buy it for $11, and then you get to go in, and there's lists of restaurants in every town. I've only used it in my hometown, and the way it works is like most of them is like you get $10 off when you spend $20. Okay, so the very first time I used my benefits, I went to a local pizza place and I had $15 off a $30 or more purchase. So I think my total was like $32 and it brought it down to I think $17, something like that. Anyway, I made back my $11 purchase of this card in one purchase. So I'm actually going to go on today and look to see if there are any restaurants in Las Vegas for while I'm there this weekend. And then I'll have to do is either download the app on my phone or I'll just print off the certificate to take with me to save money while I'm traveling. So I just wanted to show you these two features because a lot of people only think about our website when they're needing to book a hotel or rental car or whatever. But guys, like I said, don't overlook the activities tab and don't overlook the lifestyle tab because you can use those every day. So awesome. Just wanted to share this with you. Love you guys. Hope you found this helpful.